Good morning, children. Welcome back to class. Are you all enjoying your online classes? Do you listen to what I say regularly? Pay attention. You can go through the videos again and again and try to understand, okay? Don't get worried. Take your mummy's help. Is that clear? Now, in the previous class, what did we learn? Name the objects in your English class. Now today, ma'am is going to teach you something new again in your English subject. Now look at the blackboard. Look at the blackboard. Look at this tree. Look at the tree. One tree and one more tree over here. There are two trees. How many trees are there? Two trees. Now, under the first tree, there are 1, 2 and 3 boys. Okay? Under this tree, there is one boy. Okay? Boys, boy. 2 trees, 3 boys, 1 boy. Now listen to ma'am, how ma'am is speaking. Now, at night, when you look up in the sky, how many stars are there? There are many stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Many stars. Okay? That is the meaning of many. More than one. Like look at this once again. One boy, but 1, 2, 3 boys. Then there can be 4, 5, 6, many. That is the meaning of many. Now look at this. This is a lid. L-I-D, lid. Ma'am has one lid and 2 lids. Okay? Then one bowl, many bowls. More than one. 1 lemon, juicy fruit. 2 and 3. So many lemons. More than one. That is the meaning of many. Then what is this? Straw. What do you drink with this? Cold drink, Pepsi, mango juice, 1 straw and many straws. Okay, more than one. 1, many. In the same manner, 1 finger, many fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers. Alright, this is the meaning of many. Many. Understood now? More than one. Many. Understood, children? One more thing. Look here. Now this tree, one tree has got many fruits. So many apples. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you also have many toys. Do you have only one toy? No. You trouble mama. You demand for more and more. That more and more is many. Many. That is the meaning of many. Okay? Now, we will be writing in the copy. Get ready with your English copy. Take a fresh page. Good children. And let's start. Look at the blackboard. Ready, children? Now, you all know this is your margin line. What have you to do first? Write the date. And these are your vertical lines. This is red line and red line. First, in the first row, first line, you will write the heading. O-N-E 1. 1. Leave 2 rows or just leave 1 row and write many. M, start from the second blue line. A-N-Y. Many. Now you know what is many, children? More than one. More than one. Come back to your copies. In the margin line, write number 1. Write number 1. Begin very neatly. T-O-Y. Toy. Many One toy, many. Below the heading many toys. You will write S. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Understood? Just underline. Toys. Number 2. Written children, toys. Pot. One pot. Many. Yes, pots. Correct? S. Next, number 3. Pin. One pin. Many pins. See the S sound? Many pins. Very neatly copy down, children. Number 4. One bag. You have one school bag. Your friends also have bags. Many friends, many bags. Many friends, many bags. Okay. Number 5. Ball. Do you have one ball or many balls? You have one small, one big, and bigger than that, one ball. See how you join the letters? Full B, ball, balls. Number 6. Copy correctly. One fan. Many fans. Now you have a fan at home. Everyone has. In your classroom also there are many fans. But one fan has got 3 blades also. Look at the fan up and see. Check. 1, 2 and 3. So that is more. More than one is many. Okay. Let's read. Toy, toys. Pot, pots. Pin, pins. Bag, bags. Ball, balls. Fan, fans. So for today we will be writing these many, and in your next class I will be giving you few more one and many words. Ma'am is not going to write the date. Now you must look at the calendar and write the date. Okay children, and keep revising for your unit test also, the previous topics. Okay, thank you, goodbye.